Mary lives in a small town. Her house has a big garden. Every day, Mary goes into her garden. She loves flowers. She grows roses, tulips and daisies. Mary is happy in her garden. Mary has a friend, Tom. Tom lives next door. Tom does not have a garden. He has a small flat. Tom often visits Mary. They sit in the garden. They talk and drink tea. Sometimes they are quiet. Mary looks at the flowers. Tom watches Mary. One day, Mary sees a new person. A woman moves into the house across the street. Her name is Anna. Anna smiles at Mary. Mary smiles back. The next day, Anna comes to Mary's garden. Anna brings cookies. "I like your garden," Anna says. Her voice is soft. Her hair is long and dark. She looks kind. "Thank you," Mary says. "Sit with us." Anna sits down. Tom brings cups of tea. They eat cookies and talk. Anna visits every day. Mary is happy to have a new friend, but Tom feels strange. He does not know why. Anna and Mary laugh a lot. They talk about flowers and cooking. Tom feels left out. He does not know about cooking. He does not grow flowers. One evening, Tom sits alone at home. He thinks about Mary. He feels sad. "Maybe Mary likes Anna more than me," he says quietly. In Mary's house, Mary and Anna bake bread. They laugh. They make bread every week now. Anna tells stories about her old town. Mary listens carefully. She enjoys Anna's stories. The next day, Tom visits Mary again. Anna is there too. Tom tries to talk about cars. Anna and Mary listen, but soon they talk about flowers again. Tom feels lonely. He walks home slowly. Days pass. Tom does not visit Mary. Mary notices Tom's absence. She goes to his flat. "Tom," Mary says, "I miss you. Why don't you visit anymore?" Tom looks down. He feels shy. "You have Anna now," he says softly. "You do not need me." Mary is surprised. "Tom, you are my friend," she says kindly. "Anna is nice, but you are special. I miss you in my garden." Tom smiles a little. He feels warm inside. "Really?" "Yes," Mary nods. "Tomorrow, come and sit with me. I planted new roses." Tom comes to the garden the next day. Anna is also there. But today is different. Mary sits between Tom and Anna. She talks about roses. She asks Tom to help her plant new flowers. Anna smiles and listens quietly. She understands something important. Anna visits less often. She gives Mary and Tom space. Mary enjoys her garden again with both friends. Tom learns about flowers slowly. Mary teaches him kindly. Tom begins to like the garden. He smiles more. Mary is happy. She has her garden and her friends. The garden is beautiful, with roses, tulips, and daisies. But Mary knows something else. Friends make the garden truly lovely. Tom, Anna, and Mary often sit together again. Tom knows Mary likes him. Mary knows Tom feels happy again. And Anna knows that friendship grows like flowers, slowly, carefully, and beautifully.